Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing again something new with puree, with fresh puree. I had shared a video with the fresh juice and we have made a body mask. So today I'm going to be making a hair mask with puree. Now the puree that we are going to be using here is a mixture of avocado and banana. Both are extremely good to give you a healthy scalp, to cleanse your scalp, to give you a silky, shiny, smooth, straight effect to your hair. So people who are struggling with frizzy hair, with dry hair, dull hair, your hair lacks all the luster and shine. So this mask is something which you should definitely give it a try. Make it and use it and you'll see the difference on the shine that you get. So quickly we'll go ahead and make this. Basic formulation will be shared as usual. For these advanced ones, you can WhatsApp on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. So here we have both our phases, in which I have my water phase. I have taken some glycerin, water, distilled water, and here I have my oil phase, in which I have all my emulsifiers, my lovely conditioning oils, emollients. I have taken some hair conditioning ingredients, a little bit of silicones, plant-based silicones. So we have a number of very good conditioning agents here in our oil phase, which is going to help give you that shine and a straight look and feel on your hair when blended with the benefits of the banana and avocado. So we are going to quickly heat both these phases and we'll make the hair mask. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and we'll quickly go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase and we'll give this a quick blend. So we've gone ahead and nicely blended this, both the phases together, and now we'll quickly wait for this to completely cool down. Okay, so now when the solution is just a little bit lukewarm, I'm going to go ahead and add my puree to this, because again after adding the puree we are going to go ahead and give this a blend. So I'll just mix this in together, and then once this nicely mixes into my solution, I will go ahead and blend this with my blender. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this very well. I have blended the avocado and the banana very nicely in the mixture here, and you can see how beautiful, smooth and shiny this looks. And this is how beautiful it's going to make your hair once you use it on your hair. Now I'll quickly go ahead and add a little bit of fragrance to this along with my preservative, and we'll go ahead and give this a final mix. So this is the final look of our mask. Lovely mask, and this is how it feels on application. And this has to be applied all over your hair. It can also be applied on your scalp. You need to leave it on for half an hour. If you have if you have more time, you can leave it for 2 to 3 hours on the hair and wash it off, and you'll get amazing benefits on your hair. This reduces hair fall as well. So definitely for people who have hair fall issues, they too should give this a try. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.